science rules.
Hi, boys and girls. So yesterday I asked you about what makes packing snow. We did some research and Anna has the answer for you.
Packing snow usually comes out when it's around 0 degrees.
You're right. So it depends on the temperature. So right now in Brantford, it's around -1 and it's snowing, and that's why we have packing snow. If it was powdery snow, that would mean that it would have to be really, really cold out. So below 0, way further below 0. Now, sometimes when it melts, snow starts to melt, or if it's above 0 degrees, then we get kind of a mushy, like slushy snow, or freezing rain can kind of turn into a bit of a slush, depending on the temperature. So when it's around 0 degrees, -1, 0 degrees, +1, it's perfect snowman weather. Do we have enough snow to build a snowman?
Not yet, but we have packing snow.
We have packing snow, but we don't have enough snow to build a snowman yet. So hopefully it'll stay around 0 degrees, and then tomorrow we can build a snowman.
Yeah.
If it keeps snowing.
With my little ball.
Right. So hopefully you did some research as well, and you understand that the temperature affects the moisture in the snow. All right. See you later.
Bye.
All right, so we know that snow can either be too wet or too dry. There were some scientists or researchers that made a special scale to show the different types of snow. So there's 5 different categories of snow that and it shows their moisture levels. Using that scale, there can be really moist or wet snow for snowmen, but also there can be snow that's too wet or too slushy. You need to have the perfect snow to kind of make glue for your snowman when you're making anything with packing snow. The loose particle snow doesn't stick together very well. Here's a chart to show us when it's at the freezing point what the snowflakes actually look like, and how it holds their water based on its shape, which is really interesting. Okay, so we answered the packing snow versus powdered snow question. We answered the slush question. I think it's time for a science experiment for the solid and liquid question. What do you think? Are you ready for a science experiment? First, what I want you to do is determine the temperature outside right now. You are going to need to get bundled up because you're going to need to make 2 snowballs, and you will need a container or a bowl without a lid and one with a lid. You can find this under the content tabs, and I look forward to seeing your results tomorrow. See ya!